This episode of Intorrent Supercell Fans is about the Google apps and how Intorrent's voice integration makes them even better for your business communications. Hello, my friends, and welcome to another edition of Intorrent Supercell.
Thanks, Kelsey.
My name is Dave Nowak, and my brother Bob is unfortunately sitting this one out with a really bad case of the meat sweats. We wish him well. With me, as always, are the Intorrent Supercell fans, Art Kowalski.
Hi, Dave.
Bert Kaminski.
Hey, Dave.
And none other than Tom O'Connell.
Hey, Dave. Now, I believe we're talking about apps today, is that right?
That is correct, Tom.
Okay, so that would mean we're talking about pigs in a blanket, bacon-wrapped meatballs, and supreme nachos, correct?
You're on the right track, but just a little off, Tom, as I've always said about you. Actually, we're talking about business apps like chat, unified messaging, mobility, and fax. The Google apps in particular.
Well, Dave, if you can't eat it, what am I doing here?
You make a good point, Tom. But stick around. I think you're going to enjoy it. Our first guest here is Frank Figby. He's a third-generation owner of Figby's Fruitcakes. Frank, welcome to the program.
Thanks, fellas. Pleasure to be here.
Hey, I noticed that you're clean-shaven there, Frank. So would you like to participate by wearing this commemorative Supercell's mustache?
Oh, smells kind of funny.
Tom?
I thought it was a cheese knife.
We'll get you another one.
All right.
Now, Frank, with the Intorrent phone system, you got all the great voice over IP features, but tell us about the unified communications and the apps.
Well, you said it. We have all the essential business features on the VoIP side, but we also integrate the PBX into Google Apps. So Gmail, Google Talk, and Google Calendar all work hand in hand with the phones powered in the cloud.
The cloud! What are some of the ways you use those apps personally?
Oh, we're trying to cut down on email. When I'm in the office, I'm always on Google Talk. Now, if I'm on a call, my chat status automatically goes to unavailable.
Phone calls aside, what if you just need a few minutes to power through some baby back ribs?
Oh!
I might set the status manually in that case.
Well, of course you would. That's the only way you can eat ribs, manually.
Yeah. And say I'm out of the office, I can check my email on a Bluetooth. It actually reads my emails as text-to-speech over the phone. I can use an IVR to access voicemail and email in the cloud.
The cloud!
I gotta say, I'm not so impressed with your apps there, Frank.
Oh, yeah?
Well, mine are better. Bloomin' onion.
Android PBX integration.
Whoa. Boneless buffalo wings.
Full unified messaging.
Jalapeno cheesesteak sliders.
Remote presence management.
Texas chili cheese fries with bacon and ranch dressing.
Integrated mobility through Google Calendar. Personal, shared, and public calendars in your phone. Voicemail greetings and mobility settings.
Mile high chorizo sausage fried cheese nachos. Literally, a mile. Hey!
Office call logs filed in a Gmail user folder, voice recording with caller ID, click to dial from Google Apps, eFax, DTMF, or SpeechRec Google Apps IVR navigation, all in the cloud.
The cloud!
Okay, that's gonna do it for today's show. I'm speechless, Frank. So is Tom. Somebody call a medic. Get Tom a defibrillator. We'll see you next time on Supercell Fans. For more information on how Intorrent's voice features make Google Apps in the cloud the best choice for your business, call or click today.
The cloud!